Good afternoon, grade 5. We are already in page 79. We started already this one last week, the probability of events. And today we will continue page 79. Page 79 of your book. Please show me your book in the camera. Tanawat. Where is the book, Tanawat? Page 79, Lamon, check. Tanawat, check. Narungrit, open sa page 79, check. Jaruan, Amonrat, check, Tanapon, check, Amonrat, Tanap, okay. Pakawan, Mimay, Pakawan, are you there? Pakawan, where is the book, Pakawan? Page 79. Page 79, Pakawan. I am calling everybody to see if you are opening the book. Maika, page 79, where's the book? Patarapon, check. Micah, check. Tanon, where's the book? Tanon, where's the book? Page 79. Natikan, where's the book? Page 79. Okay, good.
Here the book.
Aria, where's the book? Page 7. Patipan, page 79. Ratapum, page 79. Minay? Pagtanapat, check leo. Okay. Very good, pagtanapat. Ratapum. Okay, King Mac. I want to see the apple, na? Puna pa. Very good. Lamon. Pimchanok. Ayutaya. Where's the book? Page 79, Pimchanok, page 79. Page 79. Oh, Pimchanok, naan magaling. Okay. Puwapet.
Right under the book.
Puwapet. Where is the book? I want to see if you open the book. Page 79, what can you see in the book? Puppet, where's the book? Puppet. Okay. Let's continue na. Okay, follow me in your book, page 79. Okay, certain events. It says here, certain events are those that will definitely happen. It will happen. 100% it will happen. Okay na? Certain events. What's this? Certain events. Sorry.
Textbook or workbook.
Textbook. Certain events.
What page?
Page 79. Certain events are those that will definitely happen. 100% will happen. Na? 100% will happen. Definitely happen.
Yeah,
So
but
this,
right in the screen on the notebook.
no. This one is in the book. I just put it here so that I can explain easy. Okay. Now, probability of events. It says here, certain events are those that will definitely happen. It will happen. It will 100% will happen. Understand ba na? Understand ba? So for example number 6. There are 2 red apples in the box. Okay na? Everybody listen. Why I can only see Tanawat here. Okay. Open your camera so that I can see you. Okay na? Okay, okay, I can see now. There are 2 red apples in the box. Okay, for example, this is the box here. So, for example, you have box there. Box, no? That box, inside the box, there are 2 apples. Now, there are 2 red apples. There are 2 red apples in the box. Now, without looking into the box, Tom picks up an apple. Okay? There are 2 red apples in the box. How to draw an apple here like that? Apple. There are 2 apples in the box. Red apples. Now, without looking into the box, Tom picks up an apple. The only possible outcome is to pick up a red apple. So the event that Tom picks a red apple is a certain event. Certain event will definitely happen. For example, tanapon. Tanapon, okay na, listen to me na, everyone na. This is what we call certain events. 100% will happen. For example, tanapon here. Tanapon, there are 2 apples in the box. The same apple, it's color red. 2 red apples. If tanapon will get 1 apple, what color of apple will tanapon get?
Red 100%.
Red, because it's only red. That is what we call certain events. It will happen. It will definitely happen. Only red apples. It's like that. For example, another example. Another example. Let's say we will put toy cars here. Toy cars. Toy cars. 2 blue toy cars. Now, if tanapon will pick up 1, what toy car, what color of the toy car will tanapon get?
Blue.
Blue. 100% blue. It will happen because that is only choice in there, right? That is what we call certain events. You don't have a choice. That is the 100% lay. Okay na? Now, impossible events meaning impossible pa alay. Impossible pa. It's impossible meaning it will not work. You cannot get, for example, there are 2 red apples in the box. 2 red apples na. 2 red apples. The impossible there, can tanapon get color green apple?
It's 90% or 80 or 70.
Again, listen to me properly. There are 2 red apples in the box. 2 red apples. Okay? Question, can tanapon get a green apple?
No, it's
No,
100%.
100%.
100, that's what we call impossible because there is no green in there. It's 2 red apples. Understand? That is impossible. An event which never happened is called an impossible event. That is what we call probability. For example, I think here. See example 7. Can you look at example 7 there? Example 7, page 79. In the box. Okay, in the box. Put in the box here. Inside the box. Page 79. In a box, there are 2 bananas. Clue why? 2 bananas and 2 red apples. 2 red apples. I put red na. Red. This one is red. I don't know how to put color yellow. Okay na? Color yellow. Maybe this one. This one na? Okay. Now, it says here, in a box, there are 2 bananas and 2 apples. 2 bananas. 2 bananas. 2 red apples. 2 apples. No red apples. 2 apples. If we randomly pick, we will not choose. Just get random. If we randomly pick a fruit from the box, is it possible to be an orange? Is it possible that you can get orange?
No,
No,
can
why?
she-
Why not? Why not? Why no? Because inside the box there are only 2 bananas and 2 apples. There is no orange there. That is what we call impossible events. Understand? Impossible, it will not happen. So that is impossible events. Okay na? So here, let's go to page 80. Page 80. Go to page 80. Page 80 says here, page 80, example 8. An event that may happen is called possible event. Okay na? An event that may happen is called a possible event. It means there is possibility, maybe 50%. No? For example, okay, here. For example, inside the box, what's the example here in page 17, page 80? Everybody look at page 80. What is the example?
Pencil.
Pencils. Okay, pencils. An event that may happen, maybe percent, maybe 50%, may happen is called possible event. It says here, there are what? In a box, inside the box, there are 2 red pencils. 2 red pencils. 2 color red pencils and 1 green pencil. Okay, that one. So we have color green and color red. So we have 3 pencils here. Now, Kate picks a pen randomly. Is it possible to be a red pencil? Is it possible? Yes.
no.
Yes, because there is color red, there is color green. Again, again, the question there, Kate picks a pencil randomly. Random. Like she will not choose. She will not look. Like I will get the pencil like that. Okay. Above her head. And then, is it possible to be a red pencil? Is it
No.
possible? Why no? Why no? There is color red, there is color green. Is it possible? Of course it is.
Yes.
Maybe 50%. Maybe 75% because maybe she will get the color red because there is color red. Understand? Again, we have 3 here. Number one. It says here, certain events, it will definitely happen. It will definitely happen. It will happen, Lamon. For example, there are inside the box, there are 2 apples, 2 red apples. Question, if you will get random, if you will get something there, can you get an apple here?
Yes.
Yes, because it's certain events. There is nothing there. There is only apple there. Understand? Certain events, it will happen. 100% will happen because there are 2 apples only. Can she get apple? Yes, because there is apple inside the box. Understand? 100% na? Impossible events, for example, impossible. There are fruits inside. There are bananas and apples. The question there, can she get orange? Can she get orange? Impossible. Impossible. Why? Because there is no orange inside the box. That is what we call impossible events. Understand? Will not happen, like impossible to happen. Are you listening to me, grade 5?
Yes.
Are you listening? Are you really listening?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
na? Impossible events, it will not happen. Again, our example here, there are 2 bananas, there are 2 apples. But the question here, can she pick up inside the box? Can she pick up an orange? Impossible. It's no, a very big no. She cannot pick up orange because it's only banana and apples. Understand? That is impossible. Impossible. แปลว่าอะไร impossible?
เป็นไปไม่ได้
ไม่ได้เลย เป็นไปไม่ได้เลย because there is no orange in there. There is no orange there. That's impossible. Now, let's go to possible. Possible means 50%. For example, here we have 3 pencils. 2 red, 1 green. The question there, if she will pick up above her head, she will not choose na? Can she get color red?
Yes.
Yes, there is possibility. Yes, because there is red inside the box. Understand? Now, listen to me. And there are 2 red. It's very big. It's very big chance. Very big chance. Now, for example here, since there are both red and green, there is color red, there is color green. Inside the box, Kate can pick a red or a green pencil. Am I right? It is very possible. Samat dai. Dai, no? Dai. What's that, Narong Rit? Possible pero ala na?
ไปได้
ไม่ได้ เป็นไปได้
เป็นได้
เป็นไปได้
เป็นไปได้ เป็นไปได้ เป็นไปได้ she can get red or green because there are color green and red. There are red and green inside the box. It's possible. เป็นไปได้ ใช่ไหม Now, so
Yes.
the event that Kate picks a red pencil is possible event. Okay, possible. เป็นไปได้ Maybe she can get. Okay. Now, it says here inside the box, an event. I will write it here now. I will write it here. An event. Yeah. An event is likely. Underline the word likely if it is more possible to happen. Okay, now I will explain that one. An event, number 2, an event is unlikely if it is less possible to happen. For example, okay na? I will explain na. Okay. There is, I will underline the likely and unlikely. An event is likely if it is more possible to happen. For example, inside the box, there are 2 red pencils, and 1 green. 1 green. Which one is likely here? What do you think it's like 50% or 80% will happen? What can she get?
Red.
Red, because there are 2 and this is only 1. That is what we call likely to happen or more possible to happen because there are 2 reds and 1 green, right? That is what we call likely, no? Likely. Maybe it will be more possible because there are 2 green. Very big chance that she will get color red because there are 2 red pencils, right? And an event is unlikely if less possible to happen. Less possible to happen that she will get green. Less possible will happen is to get the color green pencil because it's only 1, right? Meaning maybe this one is 40%, maybe 40% chance, but this one, the 2 is 80% chance. A very big chance that she will get color red because there are 2 color red pencil. Understand? Okay, let's go to the example here, page 80. Example number 9. Example number 9. Example number 9. Okay na? In a box. What's inside the box, everyone?
It's a rainbow.
Okay, a balls. One color blue, one color blue, and
Red.
three red
Three.
balls. Three red balls, right? 3. So meaning red is more than the blue, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, there
Yes.
are what? Okay na? There are 3 red balls and 1 blue ball. Okay na? For example, they are equal in size, meaning the same size. Now, for example, like that. Now, there are 3 red balls and 1 blue ball. In a box, there are 3 red balls and 1 blue ball. Mr. Sumit picks a ball randomly, meaning randomly, like look at me here, look at teacher Juvin in the screen. Like me, like I will get some name above here, like that. No, like I will I am not sure if I can get your name like that. Like that. What's that inside?
And we got inside, but we don't know what's inside.
Yes.
So we
Like guessing. No, for example, there are 4 balls inside the box. 3 red, 1 blue. So random means just pick by not looking. You will not look, just pick, Lloyd. Just pick na. Okay, just like that. There are more red balls and blue balls inside the box. Am I right? There are 3 red balls and 1 blue ball. So it is likely that Sumit picks a red ball. Am I right? Likely. We will use the word likely because there are more than red, no? Likely that Sumit picks a red ball, right? And unlikely is that Sumit pick up a color blue ball, right? Because likely, maybe 80% will happen. 80% he can get color red because there are 3 reds. Unlikely, maybe 20% that he can get color blue. 20% chance. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Because there are 3 red and 1 color blue. That is what we call probability. Now, page 81, letter A. Page 81, letter A. I want Lamon to read letter A. In a box.
And the balls, they are the yellow pens. What is a type of event for
Tyler.
Tyler to random
Select
a yellow pen.
yellow pen. Okay. Okay na, listen na. Inside the box, there are 9 yellow pen. 9 yellow na, 9 yellow pens. Everything is yellow. What type of event for Tyler to randomly select a yellow pen? What do you think? Listen na, do not say I am not sure. Number one here. Number 1, what are the events? Number 1, certain events. Certain, number 1, certain. Number 2, we have impossible. We learn about impossible. Number 3, we have possible. Number last,
And 5 now.
we have likely and unlikely. Okay? We have possible events, impossible, and certain. But impossible, under the possible, there are what we call likely and unlikely. So your answer number one, tell me if that is certain, impossible, or possible. Question I will explain number one. Inside the box, there are 9 yellow pens. 9 yellow pens. What type of event? Is it certain, impossible, or possible? What is the type of event for Tyler to randomly select a yellow pen? Can he get yellow pen?
Yes,
Yes,
100%.
100%.
Okay.
Very good. What is the answer? What kind of activity is that? What kind of event?
30. 30.
Certain. Okay, very good. Number one question is certain. 100%. 100% that she can get or he can get a color yellow pen. Am I right? Okay. Now, let's erase this one. Now, remember na, certain, possible, and impossible. Impossible, there are unlikely and likely. Letter B. Letter B. I want Hanapon to read letter B.
In a plastic bag, there are 10 red marbles, 5 green marbles. What is the type of event that Nina to random pick 2 red marbles?
Okay. In a plastic bag. So in a plastic bag, how to draw a plastic bag? Like that, no? Like that. In a plastic bag, there are 10 red marbles and 5 green marbles. How many? Everything? We have 15 marbles, no? 10 red, 5 green. The question here, what is the type of event for Nina to randomly pick 2 red marbles? Can she get 2 red marbles? What kind of event is this?
Hunting is
Possible.
Possible, correct. It is possible. It is 100% possible because there is color red and there is color green. So, but we have 2 kinds of possible here. 2 kinds of possible. Is it unlikely or likely? Likely means yo kwa, more. Ani noi kwa, less. So what is the color red here? Is it more or less?
more.
More. It means that
More.
is likely possible. Understand? So the answer is likely possible. Why likely possible? Because
The marble weight more than 5
yes,
green.
correct. Because red marbles are more than green marbles. So the answer letter B is likely possible. Understand? So again, we have certain, we have possible, we have impossible. Possible, we have 2. Likely and unlikely. I hope you understand, everyone. I hope so. I explained very clear already. Now, let's go to letter C. In a box. Inside a box, Loy. Inside the box, okay, inside the box, there are 12 red balls. What is the type of event for John to randomly pick a red ball?
Hunting is certain.
Can he get red?
Yes.
So it means what kind of event is this?
Since event.
Huh? Can he get red balls?
Yes.
Yes.
What kind of event is that?
Something.
13.
Certain, 100%, because it's only red balls. No more other color. It's only red. Can he get red?
Yes.
Certain events, 100%. He can get color red. As easy as that, right? Now, let's go to letter D. Letter D. It says here, letter D. In a box, there are 15 apples. Inside the box, there are 15 apples. Okay? 15 apples. Wait for a while. 15 apples. What type of event for Kyle to
Teacher, may I
run?
go to the toilet, please?
Yes. In a box, there are 15 apples. What type of event for Kyle to randomly pick an apple? Can he get apple?
Yes.
What's the answer?
13.
Certain. No, certain. Why 100%? Because there are only apples inside. Am I right? Okay, that is certain.
Yes.
Certain. Letter E. Let's read letter E. Letter E says here, in a bag, there are 8 red pencils, 15 green pencils. Alayo, kwa.
Green pencils.
Green,
15 green.
Okay. What type, the question here, what is the type of event for Mary to randomly pick
Possible.
3 green pencils? Possible, correct.
Possible.
Correct, possible. Yes, possible nga. Possible. But there is unlikely. Likely, possible. Tama ya.
Because 15 green is more than 18 red pencils.
Correct. 15 green pencils. Yu kwa kong 8 red pencils. Kaujayang. Kaujay lang na. Okay na? So let's go to number 2. Number 2 here. In a box, there are 4 red cards. 4 red cards. No? Okay, look at the cards there. 1 blue card and 2 green cards. Mike picks a random card. Okay na? Again, inside the box, there are 1 blue card. 1 blue card, 4 red cards, 2, 3, 4, and 2 green cards. Okay, how many cards all in all? We have 7 cards. 7 cards. Question letter A. What color cards can Mike pick? What do you think? Red. Why?
Red.
Why?
Because it's
Because
more than
you can use the events that you learn. Certain, possible, impossible, possible, likely, possible, unlikely, possible,
and unlikely possible.
likely, possible. What color cards can Mike pick? Maybe or likely possible, no? Color red. Let's put color red here. Letter B. What color card is likely to be picked? Likely
to be picked as a red card.
Red card again. Why red card? Likely ngay, likely. No, likely ngay. Likely, possible. Look at how many red cards, how many green cards, how many blue cards. Right? Letter C. What color card is unlikely to be picked?
Blue.
Blue. Very good, because it's only one. But it is possible, na? Possible na? Maybe let's say 20% possible. Pen pie die. Because the blue card is in the box. No? So, okay, letter D. Let's go to letter D. Letter D question, is it possible for Mike to pick a yellow card?
No, it
What?
can be.
No.
What's that? What kind of event is that? What kind of event?
Impossible.
Very good. Impossible. Why? Why? There is question why here. Why? Because
Don't have yellow card.
don't have a yellow card inside the box. So I hope you understand me. No? Very good. Patarapon, tanapon. I know Amonat understood me. Lamon understood me. So tanapon and patarapon is always answering me. Keng Makloy, look. Okay na? Okay, let's go to page 82. Page, I don't know with others. Kaujay Maynea. Everyone, patipan. Tarap, Junior, narong rate. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Patipan, Atikan, Pakawan, Pakin, Pimchanok. Do you understand your teacher, Juvin?
Yes.
Na? Okay na? Understand na? Okay, let's go to page 82. 82. Page 82, letter number 3. A spinner. Oh, everybody is playing spin sa may spinner. Na? 4 equal sectors, meaning in one circle divided into 4. So equal na. 3 of them are colored yellow. 1, 2, 3 are yellow. And the other one, only one is color red. Na, color red. 3 of that is color yellow. Question. Identify whether the following events are likely or unlikely. Na? Only likely or unlikely na? Likely or unlikely. Letter A. Letter A question. The spinner lands on the yellow sector. Possible, likely possible or unlikely possible?
Likely possible.
Likely possible. Why? Because, why? Tamaya.
The yellow is more than red.
Yellow.
Because
Very good. The yellow is more than the red color. Letter B. The spinner lands on the red sector.
unlikely possible.
Unlikely possible. Very good. Because
Because the radius
Then yellow.
less
Yellow.
than yellow. So unlikely possible. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4. A jar contains 12 red balls. 3 green balls. 12 and 3. Sam picks a ball at random. At random, meaning he will not look, just get one like that, no? Letter A question. Letter A question. What color ball is Sam likely to pick? Likely.
Red.
red.
Red. Correct.
Red.
Keng Mak le, red. Okay na? Letter B. What color ball is Sam unlikely?
Green.
Green.
Color green. Tamaya. Because
Then
Less than red.
less than the
than-
red. Very good. That is unlikely na. Noy kwa. Ani likely? Yu kwa. Letter C. What is the type of event for Sam to pick up? To pick
Impossible.
a blue. Impossible.
Impossible.
Keng mak. Very, very good. Impossible. Tamay. Why?
have blue.
Because there is no blue ball. Very good. Letter D. Is it possible for Sam to pick a yellow ball?
Impossible.
Impossible
Impossible.
again because there is no yellow
Yellow.
Yellow.
yellow ball. King Mark Lulu. King na. So very good, very good, very good. Now you understand. You understand what I am saying here. So tomorrow we will answer your workbook together. I will help you with your workbook. Do I? No, tomorrow. So today, Teacher Juvin will not give my high kanban เลย Okay? Will not give work, but tomorrow we will answer the workbook together. We will answer the workbook together. Understand?